Hello, welcome to our this channel. Right now, I wanna show you guys how to make a video call with your cell phone. So many people have been asking how they can do video call with their phone. It's very difficult now for someone to do video call with your phone. You can only see all those opportunities on PC, but those that have their phones can be able to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys this tip on how to do video call with your cell phone. You're gonna use this app. Once you open this app, agree the times. Now we are gonna make this video call on WhatsApp. Understand? We're gonna do this on WhatsApp. So we're gonna go over here. Once you open this app, go to your settings. Go to some people say that this app does not work. It does not work because it's no longer available on Play Store or whatever. But if you want to get this app that is working, even though you download it on your browser, it's not going to work also. But if you need it, you can message me. You join the WhatsApp group. The link is in the description of the comment section. You join the WhatsApp group, message, and I will give you the app. I will send it to you. But make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'm not gonna give it to you. So once you now click on virtual camera setting, you now click on choose local video. It's already on local video. Choose use local video. Use local video. Then you now click on the video that you want it to display it on the camera. So I'm gonna use this. For example, I'm gonna use this lady here. I'm gonna just use this lady. Once you do it, you make sure you save it. Now your video has been saved. Now go back. You're gonna call on WhatsApp. So I'm gonna log in my WhatsApp here. Anyone you can upload any social media of your choice. You can make the video call in any app of your choice. That has can be anywhere. Anywhere you can make your video call, Instagram, whatever. You can make your video call. You just add it up here. Now click on here. I'm gonna log in my WhatsApp account here. Now I'm gonna log in. I've logged in here before. Just the account is you just log in your account from your WhatsApp to here. So I'm gonna get a code. I'm gonna log in back. Click on login. Now I'm gonna go paste my WhatsApp number here to log in. Over here, paste my WhatsApp number. So I'm gonna paste my WhatsApp number here. Click on paste. Now they are gonna send me a code. So many people may think that they're gonna lose their WhatsApp. No, you're not gonna lose your WhatsApp account. Understand? WhatsApp now is very strong. You can't use your WhatsApp account. You only be switching code from the other WhatsApp to this WhatsApp. So look at the other code said 830 773 773. Then you log in your WhatsApp. This is how you're gonna be doing it in any of your WhatsApp account. Then you just log in. Once you log in, once you want to log in back, you also tap on your WhatsApp there. You just easily log in. No stress, no code, nothing. Just I'm not gonna do this to show you guys, for example. Then now skip here. Skip all these things. Just go ahead and call whoever you wanna call. Then your WhatsApp will be logging here, and your account is 100% safe. After making your call, once you log it back to your other account, they will log it out from here. But the best way is to be using any social media that you can easily log in your password. That's all. Once you're done, you can also log it out. And some social media is the best, like Facebook, IG. Like, you can easily put also easy to do on WhatsApp if you can be able to process. So the process is just logging as I did now. So for example, now I'm gonna call let me look for someone to call that is online. Look for someone to call. I'm gonna call. Okay, let me call this mom. Click on call. I'm gonna send you the app once you message me. Join the group from the WhatsApp link below on this video. Then you message me, I will give you the app. I will share you the app for you to be able to use it. So that is all about the video call on any platform. You can call in any platform you want, anywhere you can call. So that's all how to use this virtual camera to make a video call. You can also use it on Facebook, anywhere you want. You can use it anywhere you want. You can upload your Skype anywhere. Upload any social media of your choice and make your call. As I make this call on WhatsApp, that's how you're also gonna make it on any other way. Any other social media of your choice, you upload, you make your call. So thank you. If you need the app, join my WhatsApp group, message me, then I'm gonna give you the app. And make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'm not gonna give it to you.